Viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. How are you friends? I hope my beautiful people you will be fine. You will see the stylish, most beautiful pixie haircut, short hairs with long bob haircuts ideas. Looking so gorgeous and most beautiful, latest and unique new past long with short bob haircuts, short hairs with long bob haircuts ideas and pixie haircuts ideas to my channel. Creative and unique new all collections and you will see the stylish, most beautiful, unique new 2020 and all best short hairs with long bob haircuts ideas. 2023 latest and unique new all collections and past videos and unique new past long with short all bob haircuts and pixie haircuts. So guys, for watching my all videos and how much beautiful, unique, new, attractive and stylish past collections and unique new past pixie haircuts and 2023 latest and unique. Guys, will see the stylish, modern and attractive and unique new all collections and past videos and most beautiful, unique new all past pixie haircuts and bob haircuts ideas. Modern and attractive unique new all 2020 upcoming and unique new past videos and unique new past pixie haircuts. Guys, you will see the stylish and unique new outstanding and 2020 upcoming and unique new all best videos and how much beautiful, creative and attractive unique new best this and unique and most beautiful all best videos. Guys, you will see the stylish and most beautiful pixie haircuts, short hairs with long bob haircuts, ideas and modern and attractive unique new all best creations and unique new best pixie haircuts. Modern and attractive outstanding and unique new all best creations and how much beautiful unique new best hair colors and pixie haircuts ideas. More than hundreds of new designs ideas creative and unique new all best creations and unique new best short with long bob haircuts. Till the next video guys, thank you for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish, most beautiful and outstanding and unique new all best pixie haircuts. 2020 and unique new all collections and past videos and unique new best pixie haircuts. And you will see the stylish, modern and attractive and unique new all best pixie haircuts. So guys, you will see the stylish and 2020 upcoming unique new all best pixie haircuts ideas.